everyone, I hope you are doing well and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to focus on some question words. In the previous video, we talked about one question word which is che, which means what. Okay, and I explained in that video. If you haven't watched it, you can just go and watch it. And I just gave you some questions and answers in order to practice more. But in this video, we are going to focus on another one. Which one? کدام. کدام is used for written form and کدوم spoken form. kodâm, which means which. Okay, which. Okay. کدام فیلم را تماشا می‌کنی. We had also this verb کدام or کدوم فیلم را تماشا می‌کنی. Which film are you going to watch? من, the answer can be like this. من یک فیلم ایرانی تماشا میکنم. من یک فیلم ایرانی تماشا میکنم. I'm watching an Iranian film movie. میکنم. Okay, so کدام is which. Okay, you can make different questions with this question word. If you write it in the comment section below, so you can just read and correct it if it is necessary. Okay, I'm going to write another example for کدام. First, I'm writing the verb خوردن. I'm writing here خوردن because we want to make question with that. خوردن is to eat. خوردن, to eat. من میخورم. I eat. من میخورم. تو میخوری. تو میخوری. شما او میخورد. She eats. او میخورد. ما میخوریم. ما میخوریم. شما میخورید. شما میخورید. Okay, آنها میخورند. آنها میخورند. Okay, so let's make sentences with خوردن, to eat, with کدام. And we can use also چه for the previous video. کدام کدام غذا را میخوری. کدام غذا را میخوری. Which food are you eating? Okay, کدام غذا را میخوری؟ کدام غذا را میخوری؟ غذا means food. من آش means soup in فارسی. من آش میخورم. Okay. من آش میخورم. Okay. If you want to use چه for the previous video, you can say چی میخوری؟ چی or چه؟ چه میخوری or چی میخوری؟ The answer can be like this. من آش میخورم. Same as this answer you can use. من آش میخورم. Remember to pronounce this خ. من میخورم. تو میخوری. Like this. خ. The pronunciation is خ. Okay, for in some languages there is no خ, doesn't exist خ, so that might be a bit difficult, the pronunciation for some of you, but it's okay. You can pronounce close to خ, and step by step, gradually, I'm sure you will get better and you will improve your pronunciation. Let's go for another question more. This one was کدام. The other one that I'm going to teach you is kojâ. 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 Kojâ is where. Kojâ. Okay. Let's use this kojâ with this in order to practice more. Kojâ. غذا میخوری. غذا, we had it in the previous sentence. غذا means food. کجا غذا میخوری؟ Where are you eating? Where are you going to eat? Something like this. You can translate like this. من در خانه غذا میخورم. I'm eating at home. من در خانه غذا میخورم. I'm eating at home. Okay. کجا this one also is nice. زندگی میکنی. We had also in one of our videos زندگی کردن. Where do you live or where are you living? Where do you live? کجا زندگی میکنی? The answer can be like, let's use this part here to write some answers. کجا زندگی میکنی؟ You can answer من در تهران زندگی میکنم. من در means in. The preposition is در تهران زندگی میکنم. Okay. کجا غذا میخوری؟ کجا زندگی میکنی؟ These forms are for the first person and second person of the verb. You can use in different forms. Ali is a name, you know. در کجا زندگی میکند؟ Ali, where is he living? Where Ali is living. Okay, that is optional. As I have already mentioned, that means in. Ali در کجا زندگی میکند? Where is he living? Where Ali is living. علی در کجا زندگی میکنه؟ The answer can be like this. علی در تهران زندگی میکند. Third person of زندگی کردن. علی. Can you see it? علی در تهران زندگی میکند. Because Ali is third person. Okay, so we have learned 2 question words. We have much more question words, and in the next videos I will talk more about them. But let's practice more this چه for the previous one and this one کدام کجا. Try to make different sentences. Try to use some different verbs. If you don't know the verbs, try to find it from and try to just conjugate it properly and make different sentences. And as I have already said, you can write also in the comments below. I can correct if it is necessary. And I hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.